Now, if League of Legends is stuttering on your PC, like you're getting FPS drops, micro freezes, or the game feels choppy during fights, don't worry, there are a few quick settings changes that can improve performance instantly. Now, first things first. The main reason LoL stutters is usually because the in-game graphic settings are higher than what your PC can run smoothly, especially during team fights where there are lots of effects on screen. So let's start inside the game. Step 1. Lower heavy video settings. While in a match, press ESC on your keyboard. Now go to video. First, look for the option called Hide Eye Candy, and make sure it's turned on. This setting disables extra visual effects like small background details and ambient animations, and surprisingly, those can take up a lot of resources even though they don't help gameplay at all. Step 2. Adjust graphics quality properly. Next, go to your graphics settings. If you're currently on high, switch to medium. If the stutter is still there, switch to low. Now, if you want to keep the game looking decent but still smooth, you can manually adjust the heavy settings like this. Environment quality low, shadows low or off. Effects quality medium, character quality medium. Shadows and environment are usually the biggest FPS killers, so lowering them makes the biggest difference. Step 3. Fix your FPS cap. Now scroll to FPS settings. A lot of people think uncapped FPS is always best, but sometimes uncapped FPS causes unstable frame pacing, which feels like stutter. So try setting frame rate cap to 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second if your PC can handle it. The goal is stable FPS, not random spikes. Step 4. Save and restart. Once you finish, click Save. Then fully restart League of Legends. After restarting, jump back into a match and test again. You should notice smoother gameplay instantly, especially in intense fights. And that's basically it. So hopefully this video helped you fix League of Legends stuttering and FPS drops. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.